Guys, creating a technical course is honestly one of those things that sounds simple in theory, but becomes a complete headache in practice, especially when you're dealing with complex topics, like fine-tuning large language models. You record hours of material, you make small mistakes in code, there are pauses, awkward moments, and before you know it, editing turns into a full-time job. And that's usually where most of the time goes, not into creating the content, but into fixing everything after. I'm Daniel, welcome to my channel where I make smart tutorials. Today we're looking at how you can speed this entire process up using AI. In this video I'm testing Wondershare Filmora with the AI Mate assistant. We'll see how it can help turn raw, messy recordings into a clean educational video up to 10 times faster compared to a traditional workflow. Also, I've left the download link for Filmora in the description down below, so make sure you use that link if you want to try it yourself. So let's jump straight into it. Alright folks, let's start with a real example, because that's where tools like this actually prove their value. I have a course sitting here that I recorded a while ago, and it's about fine-tuning GPT models. The problem is the audio isn't perfect, the pacing is off, and there are a lot of pauses that make the whole thing feel slow. Normally, fixing something like this would take hours, or even days. Instead of doing everything manually, I open Filmora and go straight to the AI Mate panel. And this is where things already feel different, because instead of searching for tools myself, I just give it a command. In this case, I type something like "prepare this video for an English-speaking audience" and hit send. From here, mates, the assistant starts guiding the process. And honestly, it feels less like a tool and more like a technical director sitting next to you, suggesting what to do next. One of the first things it suggests is translation, which is perfect because my original clip isn't in English. So I select the clip, go to AI translation, and choose voice and caption translation. I selected the source language, set English as the target, and let the tool process everything. Within moments, subtitles are added across the entire video. And what's important here is not just speed, but how effortless it feels. You're not syncing subtitles manually, you're not exporting files back and forth, everything just happens inside the editor. Now guys, let's move to visual support, because technical tutorials can get pretty dry if it's just screen recordings. Instead of leaving it like that, I open the stock media section. And this is actually very useful, because even if your topic is complex, you can quickly find relevant footage or visual fillers without leaving the software. So I can grab clips, drop them into the timeline, and use them as cutaways to make the video more dynamic. And again, this saves time, because normally you'd have to search externally, download assets, import them, and organize everything manually. Next, let's clean up the pacing. One of the biggest problems in recorded tutorials is silence. Friends, you pause while thinking, you repeat yourself, or just leave gaps that make the video feel slow. Instead of cutting everything manually, I highlight the clips and ask AI Mate to remove silent parts longer than 2 seconds. The system runs silence detection, analyzes the timeline, and shows exactly what it wants to remove. And the important part here is that you can review everything before applying it, so you're not losing control over the edit. Once everything looks good, I apply the changes, and just like that, the video becomes much tighter and more watchable. Now let's talk about audio quality. Even if your content is good, bad sound can ruin the entire experience, especially in educational videos. So I go into the AI voice enhancer, and this is where you can adjust clarity and overall sound quality. There's a quick mode if you want fast results, or a more advanced mode if you want to fine-tune things. In just a few clicks, the voice becomes cleaner and easier to understand. And at the same time, the system can improve overall recording clarity, including screen capture quality, which is especially important for coding tutorials. Folks, let's make things more interesting visually. Instead of just explaining concepts verbally, we can generate supporting visuals using AI image. For example, I create a prompt for something like a futuristic JSON structure, and within seconds, I get a custom image that actually fits the topic. Guys, let me take a little break to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, but helps me make even more fun tutorials for you. Thanks! And here's where it gets even better. Using image to video, I can animate that image and turn it into a short visual sequence. So instead of static explanations, I now have something dynamic that I can place at the end of the video or between sections to keep things engaging. And beyond that, Filmora also supports AI voice cloning, which means you can recreate or adjust narration without re-recording everything from scratch. Mates, that's especially useful if you need to fix parts of your lesson or update explanations later. And this is really the key idea behind the whole workflow. You're not just editing anymore, you're enhancing the content using AI at every step, from translation to pacing, from audio to visuals. Everything is connected. There are also additional tools like text-to-video, video expand, and even trending AI content suggestions, which help you build more engaging content without spending hours figuring out what to add. And when you combine all of this with AI Mate acting as your assistant, the workflow becomes much smoother. You're not constantly switching tools or guessing what to do next. You're following a guided process that actually makes sense. Now guys, this is where the workflow becomes even faster, especially for technical content. Instead of cutting bad takes manually, you can use AI text-based editing and literally edit your video like a text document. You just remove unnecessary words from the transcript, and Filmora automatically cuts those parts from the timeline. If you combine that with silence detection, you can instantly clean up long pauses, especially during things like code compilation, and get a much tighter structure in just a few minutes. And mates, for technical courses, audio clarity is everything. Using the Adjust Audio panel together with AI Voice Enhancer, you can bring your voice much closer to studio quality in just a few clicks and keep everything consistent across the lesson. On top of that, since we already used Subtitle Extractor earlier, adding captions becomes almost instant, which makes the video much easier to follow, especially when you're explaining complex terms. Now folks, here's something I really like. Using AI Mate together with the prompt video editor, you can enhance specific clips with things like animated titles. For example, I can ask it to add professional motion titles for key terms like APK or JSON-L, and it automatically finds and applies options I can drop straight into the timeline. To keep everything organized, especially in longer courses, you can use Compound Clip. It lets you group multiple elements into one block, so you're not dealing with hundreds of separate pieces all the time. And friends, to make the whole course feel consistent, the Color Palette feature helps match colors across different lessons, so everything looks unified even if it was recorded at different times. Plus, with Prompt Video Editor, you can apply filters, animations, titles, or even ask for editing suggestions directly. And if you are just starting your project, you can even ask AI Mate how to structure your timeline, where to place clips, how to organize sections, and it will guide you through the setup. So guys, what Filmora with AI Mate really changes is how you approach editing. Instead of spending most of your time fixing small issues manually, you let the system handle repetitive tasks while you focus on the content itself. For anyone creating technical tutorials, courses, or educational videos, this can save a huge amount of time and make the final result much more polished. If you've been putting off editing because it feels too time-consuming, this is definitely worth trying. If you're excited to try it out, or if you've already used it and have some thoughts to share, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe for more tutorials. And if you want to try Filmora for your own tutorials or course videos, you can download it using the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, until next time.